Hi, in this video we are going to see the different teaching as well as the non-teaching vacancies from the top 6 universities, guys. So really it is a very good wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are looking for the teaching as well as the non-teaching vacancies from the reputed universities with the UGC or the ACT pay scales. And here the opportunities are there to the candidates who are having only PG plus UGC net, and for the PhD candidates. For all these different categories here the opportunities are there, and for graduates also opportunities are there. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them, guys. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. Coming to the present content of the video. So here the first one is Ganpat University. Okay, and you may check down here the recruitment is from the Faculty of Law, Agriculture, Nursing, Architecture, Design and Planning, Engineering and Technology, Sciences, Pharmacy, English, Management Studies, Social Science and Humanity, Computer Applications and Maritime Studies. Okay, and few non-teaching vacancies are also there in the University Central Office, Placement, Admission, Media and PR, Sports and Cultural Activities, Academics, HR, Administration, IT, Accounts and Finance, Campus Facility Management, Startup and Incubation, Entrepreneurship, Digital Marketing, Housekeeping, Hospitality and Healthcare Center, Office of President, Pro Chancellor and Director General. Okay, so these are the different number of vacancies are there from this private university, guys, and I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So if you belongs to the Faculty of Architecture and Designing, then click on the registration link here, then it will be directed to the Google Forms, guys. There is no need to pay fee, okay, application fee, anything. Just you have to fill up the Google form. By that your application process will be finished, and the last date for applying all these posts is the 30th April 2021. So please hurry up, guys. Okay, so tomorrow is the last date to fill up the notifications, and here it is a advertisement poster, guys. So you may check down, and here apply by April 30th 2021 for immediate processing. For more details you may visit the official website. And few general instructions and qualification and eligibility criteria, okay, for the professor, okay, and for the associate and assistant professor, and for the non-teaching vacancies, okay, for all these things you can check down the qualifications here, guys. So anyhow, while coming to the assistant professor, the post graduation in the particular discipline is mandatory, and the UGC NET is not mandatory for few departments. Okay, anyhow, for more details you may check down the official notification. Okay, anyhow, I am providing the official website link in the description box of this video, so you please go through that one and then check, guys. Okay, and the second university is the Presidency University. So from this university, here the vacancies are announced from the Computer Science and Engineering, Electronics and Communications, Petroleum Engineering, and from School of Design, School of Management, Law, Commerce and the Languages. Okay, so here the minimum qualification PhD or Masters or FPM or NET or SLET. So preference will be given to the candidates with a PhD or those who are about to submit their thesis. Fine. So here if you are having only the master's degree in this one, then you may apply this. Okay, they are not telling that the PhD is mandatory, it is a preferable one. Okay, and here the contact number is also given here. So all the interested candidates may apply, guys, and you have to send your resume to the careers@presidencyuniversity.in. Okay, so it is a vacancy notification from the Presidency University regarding the professor, associate as well as the assistant professors. Fine. And coming to the third one is Manipal University. So from this one also vacancies are there. So invites application for the following academic as well as the non-academic, administrative positions. So Manipal University Jaipur invites application from the Engineering, Management, Arts and Law, Basic Sciences, Architecture and Design, and the online education. The last date to apply is the 5th May 2021. And you may check down here, it is a poster in Engineering, computer science, information technology, data science, automobile, chemical, civil, mechanical, mechatronics, electrical and electronics, electronics and communication. Coming to the management, MBA, hotel management and hospitality and tourism. And coming to the arts and law, psychology, economics, English, physical education and sports, commerce. And coming to the basic sciences, biotechnology, microbiology, computer applications. And in architecture and design, architecture, design and applied arts. And here the online education is also there. That means the assistant professor, professor and associate professor vacancies are there to teach the online, guys. Fine. Here the deputy director and technical manager. Okay, a few more non-technical or else the non-teaching vacancies are there. So all the interested candidates may apply, guys. Okay, application process. For submitting your application, please visit the careers page at the university website and upload your CV with all necessary documents. The last date is 5th May 2021. Okay. So if you are interested, then you have to click here to apply online. Then you will be directed to the online application Google form, guys. So no need to pay the single rupee for the application fee. It's completely free, guys. Okay. So fill up this Google form and then submit. Then it is the process of submitting your application form for the vacancies mentioned in this Manipal University. And coming to the next university is the Kalinga University. So from this one, the few job openings are there. So commerce and management, civil, mechanical, electrical, computer science, English, Hindi, political science, history, economics, sociology, physical education, physics, chemistry, biotechnology, botany, zoology, mathematics, law, pharmacy, library science, fashion design and the interior design. So total these are the different subjects, guys. From these subjects, the professor associate as well as assistant professor vacancies are there, and a few non-teaching vacancies are also there. So you may please check down, guys. Okay, I will provide the link in the description box of this video. So here for the graduates also the vacant positions are there. So please once check down in the vacancies are announced in the different departments, guys. Okay, and coming to the next, if you are interested to apply here, then here apply now is there. So click on that one and then you will be directed to this page. So fill up the name, mobile number, upload your resume, email as well as whatever the message you want to put, you may put, and then click on the submit. So it is a way of submitting your application form for the advertisement, recruitment advertisement in the Kalinga University. And the next one is the Sandeep University. So here you may check down, guys. It is the form given here directly. Okay. So based upon your qualification, you may fill up this one, guys. And what are the different departments here means for engineering and technology, computer science, School of Design, Commerce and Management, Pharmaceutical Science, School of Law, Science, Fashion Design and Beauty, Cosmetology and Interior Design. So if you belongs to any one of these discipline or else a subject, then fill up, okay, for which post you are applying for and what is your qualification. Okay, and for which department you are applying and what is the date of birth. Okay, fill up all these details, upload your photo and CV and then click on this application, guys. Okay, so then you will be submitting the advertisement, recruitment advertisement for the Sandeep University. So I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. Fine. And next, the last one is the Ra University. So in this one, here the vacancies are announced from the different schools, guys. So School of Pharmacy and the School of Management Studies, School of Engineering and the School of Sciences and non-teaching positions. Okay, so coming to the sciences, physics, chemistry, mathematics, biotechnology and microbiology. Okay, so here non-teaching positions means manager, assistant manager, admission counselor, telecallers. Fine. So here the chances are there for the graduates, postgraduates, all the candidates. And the qualifications as per the UGC norm. So apply the job from the career section on our website, or else you may simply send your resume to the HR department at the rate hrm@rauniversity.edu. And if you are having any queries regarding this advertisement, then here the contact number is also given here. So you may contact to that number, guys. Okay, I will provide this website link in the description box of this video. So you may check down. So finally, these are the total 6 top universities, guys. So nearly you might be having the 1000+ vacancies will be there. I'm thinking so from the different departments and different branches. Okay, from different designations. Okay, and from the teaching as well as the non-teaching positions. So from the Ra University, Sandeep University, Kalinga University, Manipal University, and the Presidency University and the Ganpati University. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities, which will be very much helpful to them. For more notifications, please subscribe my channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans guys, okay? And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide